subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Guys, thank you for being a part of my channel. Guys, today I am going to do beef soup with red peas. So you know, so today I have soup there, guys, and I'm really excited because I'm a person who loves soup, and you know, so I'm just excited about this beef soup video that I'm going to do today, guys. And guys, we're planning to do most video outdoor at the beach, the rivers and stuff. Planning to even invite some friends on the channel to do some cooking video as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing them on the channel as well. Guys, the peas and the garlic, I'm just washing them off. I'm going to add them into the boiling water. So I'm just waiting on the water to start boil up. So I'm going to add them in. Guys, water start boil up now, so now add the peas and the garlic into the water. Then the next step is the beef. So I am going to make the beef, the peas and the garlic cook together for the soup. So next up is the beef. So it's beef soup today, guys. I am going to peel the pumpkin to add in the soup, and the pumpkin is going to help with the richness of the soup and the color of the soup as well. So we're just checking on the soup right now, guys. So we're checking on the soup. The beef is cooking along with the peas and the pumpkin. Just checking, guys. Some pimento seed into the soup. Soup coming on well. You know it's weather, so best thing to have is some soup in the weather. Guys, so for my soup, the food I'm gonna use: 2 carrot, 2 Irish potato, 1 pound of yam, guys, and some corn and some dumpling. Guys, depends on what a person wanna use in the soup, because the amount of food you use in the soup, it's optional. Guys, so I am putting in the yellow yam in the soup. The yellow yam is a much more harder nature yam. It's not going to like overcook nor anything like that. So we're putting it in the soup now. Next up, I'm gonna add my Irish potato, my carrots for them to cook. Guys, can you see the soup? Guys, I'm sending some of the soup for my viewers and subscriber. Pamela, big up yourself. Sending some of the soup over in Canada for you. Don't worry yourself, baby girl. Alright. Super going good. Guys, so I'm gonna add 1 green Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. So what the Scotch bonnet pepper now, the Scotch bonnet pepper is gonna enhance the taste and the flavor of the pepper. So remember guys, if you are making the soup, please don't burst the pepper, put in the pot. You just need to just put the green pepper in the pot. That's it. Next step guys is the corn. Adding in the corn in the pot. Give it a little stir and turn on the stove just a little bit. Guys, next we're gonna add the dumpling in the pot. Guys, can you see that? So we are going to add the dumpling. Guys, so I am just putting in the small dumpling in the pot. And next up, I'm going to season up my soup with my scallion and my thyme and my chicken togo. Guys, the soup is coming on pretty good. Guys, I'm trying to upload as much videos as I can, and some of the best videos for you all. So my small dumplings. So I'm turning down the stove just a little bit because I don't want it to boil over. So it's coming along guys, and it's a lot of soup for everyone on the channel to get some, so don't worry yourself. I'm cooking the soup for everyone today on the channel. Guys, next up I'm washing the scallion and the thyme and putting them in. So this is my beef soup with red peas. Guys, I'm going to add my chicken noodle in. That's my chicken noodle. Give it another stir. Turn down the stove a little bit more. Guys, in another 5 minutes the soup is finished cooking. Guys, the soup done now. Turning off the stove now. it, guys, my beef soup with red peas. Guys, if you like this video, choose my beef soup with red peas. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel as well.